what is one of the most strange things a client will ask for is that before giving the project, they say, will you show us 3 options? Now here are a number of sketches that have been done for various projects. Like there was this one that we were doing in Netherlands where we ourselves made one option, rejected it, made another option, rejected it, and then finally made this option, looking at it from various points of view, various aspects, seeing how the light, shade, and all of that affects each other, seeing how each space has to connect, how it connects, how the services will come, where the visitor will come from, and all of those aspects. In another case, we started with a simple cube form and then articulated it further and then articulated still further until we finally decided that, okay, this is the way we would like to do this design and this is the way it would be appropriate for this particular project. In another instance, we won an international competition for a museum in Dallas in the US, in the largest art district in the US. And then we were so excited that we won this amazing project in Dallas in the art district. So we did one option, not satisfied, did another option, still not satisfied, did a third option, not satisfied, and finally it was not just in sketches, but we actually took those, made proper drawings, did 3Ds, and we did 8 different options just for ourselves to see, not for any client, and kept rejecting them, not happy, not totally satisfied, until the final result, which was what we showed the client. We showed the client one option which we felt was the most appropriate for this particular project, for the location, as something that would stand out completely different from every other building down the street and be unique, at the same time be appropriate for a museum of this scale, of this size, at that road junction where it is. So we rejected 8 options before coming to this final option ourselves, and that's what we do with every project. So we are constantly rejecting things that we think could be improvised on, and finally when we show a client, we show the final option of what we consider is the best option for that particular project, in that climate, in that location, taking cognizance of various other factors of the client's needs, of the climate, of the sun direction, of the wind direction, of everything. So how can one possibly do 3 or 4 or 5 options which are all equally good as each other? It's not possible. But yet, clients will keep coming and saying that, but I want to see 3 options or I want to see 5 options. What is the need for that? We need to work on one option that is perfect, which we feel is perfect, and with perfect reasoning for it as to why we're doing what we're doing. And that is what we show the client, and that is what is important. So I'm sure a lot of you are constantly facing this request from clients for multiple options. And I would say that, rather than doing 3 options or 5 options or 6 options, which are going to take so much time and effort, you do that one option that is perfect, worked out in every respect, responsive to everything together cohesively. And if required, yes, you can show those sketches that finally led you to this option and why you did this option. But present one, because one is perfect according to you, based on your reasoning and understanding of that project. So that's how it should be.